Salam, salam, salam.
Hello, hello. Today we're going to be learning common conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverbs are used to connect clauses or sentences, showing the relationship between them, such as addition, contrast, cause and effect, or sequence. Here is a list of common conjunctive adverbs in Tigrinya. Examples:
ኣብነታት ይኹን እምበር
however,
ስለዚ ድማ
therefore,
ኣብ ርእሲ እዚ ድማ
moreover,
ከም ውጽኢቱ
consequently,
ኮይኑ ግን
nevertheless,
ስዒቡ ድማ
furthermore,
መደምደምታ
thus,
ሽዑ ድማ ወይ ድማ ሽዑ ኸዓ
meanwhile,
እንተ ዘይኮይኑ
otherwise,
ብተወሳኺ
additionally,
ብኸምኡ መሰረት
accordingly,
ብተመሳሳሊ
similarly,
ብድሕሪኡ ድማ
thereafter,
ስለዚ ኸዓ
hence,
ብዘየገድስ ግን
nonetheless,
ከም ውጽኢቱ
as a result,
ብሓቂ
indeed,
ኣብ ክንደው
instead,
ከምኡ እውን
also,
ድሕሪኡ
then,
ወላ ኸምኡ እንተኾነ
still,
ጎድኑ ድማ
besides,
ኣብ መወዳእታ
finally,
ደድሕሪኡ ድማ
subsequently,
ንምንጻሩ ዝኣክል
namely,
ሓቅነቱ ክርአ ኸሎ
in fact,
ንኣብነት
for example,
ብኻልእ ኣበሃህላ
in other words,
ምንም እኳ
although,
ወላ እኳ
even though,
ብኻልእ ወገን
on the other hand,
ተጥዑሙ ሰሰናዩ ጸጽቦ